Namaste, Vanakkam. I'm Thomas Abraham, Chairman of Global Organization of People of Indian Origin. Although you will see my screen as Mr. Mova. It so happened that today my Wi-Fi was not working well. So I called them and they said, no, you have to get a better router. So when the time came, Wi-Fi was not working. Luckily, I just came to my neighbor's house, Mr. Mova. So I'm speaking from his house. Anyway, I welcome you all for this evening. Friends, I know I express the feeling of all those present here when I say I have mixed feeling on this occasion. Sandeep ji, while we are happy to see you go back to India at a higher position in the Ministry of External Affairs, we will miss you here very much. You had completed a 3-year term with great efficiency and a lot of achievements. There were many new initiatives you started, such as community interactive meetings, India lecture series, Pramit, which has made easy for people to get info or status of one's application. In fact, this software developed by your team should be adopted in all Indian missions. You hosted a large number of community celebrations, business and professional lectures, hosting delegations from India, and you organized events with other communities and elected officials from the USA and India. COVID-19 did not slow down your activities. In fact, during the COVID period, you had increased your activities through virtual meetings, even hosting several lectures and musical evenings, and hosting a virtual play. You and your officers were always available to join our programs at our awards banquet in New Jersey, Connecticut, and at the Health Summit in New York, and various celebrations in the tri-state area. You were present at the many other community programs, including Milan's program, Kerala Center's banquet, and many other community organizations program. And their presidents are also with us this evening. I had opportunity to work very closely with all your predecessors from Counsel General A.G. Asrani in 1976. In the last 1 decade, whenever a Counsel General left, we had said the outgoing Counsel General to be the best so far. But now I have no reservation to say that you have been the best so far. This is also endorsed last week by the community leaders at the Zoom meeting with Ambassador Taranjeet Singh Sandhu. You are leaving a stage when India and China had a border fight 2 weeks back. If it is not resolved amicably and the skirmishes persist, the community will again play important role in reaching out the lawmakers to explain India's stand. We will work with the new Counsel General and Ambassador Sandhu. As you are leaving next week, we wish you all the best in the new position. And you are joining in a higher position. We like to work very closely with you in the Ministry of External Affairs. We'll have a few greetings from Gopio officials and other community leaders. Each will take 60 seconds and I'll give a grace period of an additional 30 seconds. Hopefully I won't have to use the mute button. With this, I request Dr. Asha Samant, Gopio's international coordinator at last, to say a few words. Asha, please unmute and speak.
Good evening. Namaskar. I'm Asha Samant. I am an international coordinator Gopio. I'm a lab member since 1990. I have seen many consul journals time and often for the last maybe 12, 13 years. Before I say, respected Consul General Chakravartiji, you have been the unique and one of the best. My pranam and my namaskar. It is my great honor to say thanks for all the amazing services, all services you have offered to the community in New York in a unique way during your stay. You open your doors to the community for many services, indeed, education, music, but my special mention is during the COVID virus, when people were so nervous and confused, needed some help, you came forward in a unique way. You arranged many webinar lectures, Zoom lectures to make awareness to all the community how to protect themselves. You encourage them to live and follow the rules, which made them so comfortable, and they are so much grateful to the community. My personal thank to you as a GoPU member is giving me an opportunity to share my knowledge to oral health care, which is an intact part to keep the body healthy and perfect. Dr. Shiv Kheraji's presentation was an amazing, watched by over 11,000 people on Facebook. And who did it? You were the biggest support who let it happen. You are a serious, committed, dedicated, hard worker for rendering the services to the benefit of the community, which never was seen in my time in the past many years. Shri Chakrabarti ji, my salute to your dedication, your leaving memories never to forget. It's a very nice saying that when you do the things for yourself alone, they leave and they die with you alone. But when you do the services for others selflessly, those remain forever and they are immortal. My salute again to Chakrabarti ji. That is your definition. Your memories you left with us will remain forever. My wishes and everybody's wishes to you in future for success. You are going on a higher position, but do look back sometime and remember this New York, New Jersey. We loved you. You are the greatest person, greatest CG ever we got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashaji. At this point, is Lal, can you hear us? If you can unmute your phone with 6*, then you speak. Lal Motwani, he is our international coordinator. Lal, I know he is on the phone. Lal, can you say?
Thank you very much. I'm really happy to know about Chakrabarti ji that you are going back to India, though we need you here more time, but still I'm happy that you are going for a good. So that's make us happy. I really compliment you for bringing this new things over here, and especially when you brought this Pravasi Awards in New York. That was a great thing for our Indian community. And you were more involved with art and culture and so many things which Ashaji said. I don't want to repeat again. And I'm happy that because I was with also Metropolitan Museum of Arts, and you also try to promote that. I am involved with this council since 1980, and I find out you to be very strong ambassador and consul general to Indian community in New York. I wish you best for your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lalji. Harbachan ji, you have 60 seconds.
Thank you. Your Excellency, Ambassador Sandeep Chakrabarti ji, you came here to New York 3 years ago in a different world than what you are leaving behind today. Infectious disease experts say that coronavirus has affected 5% of the Americans, and it won't slow down until it has affected 60 to 70% of its population. Sir, We thoroughly enjoyed your camaraderie and your forever helpful attitude. You brought about new concepts and approaches to community services and development. We are extremely grateful to you as we bid you farewell. So let me conclude my 30 seconds by summarizing that we will miss you. We thank you for all your excellent work you did. We wish you good luck in all your future endeavors. And last but not least, please come back and visit us from time to time. And may God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Harbachan ji. Harbachan Singh is our international coordinator for North America. And now we go to our chapter officials. To begin with, I request on behalf of all Gopio chapters in New York State, I invite Beena Kothari, President of Gopio New York, to say her greetings. As you know, we have Gopio New York, Gopio Central New York, and Gopio Manhattan chapters. Some of their officers are here too this evening. Beena ji?
Thank you so much, Sandeep ji, and सारे मेहमान आज के जो हमारे सब यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं उन सबको सादर प्रणाम, नमस्ते, good evening, and Sandeep ji and Taruna ji, what can we say? We really going to miss you here. We actually become a part of family, and since you came here, we have seen so many events at Consulate General Office. Every day we have something was going on. So we felt like a family. We did not felt like, you just came or you are for a short time of period with us. So we really going to miss you as well as Taruna ji also. We would like you to congratulate and lots of good luck for your new endeavor, and we wish you best of the best your journey ahead. Thank you, Thomas ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Beena ji. Now, on behalf of our Gopio chapters in New Jersey, I request Dr. Tushar Patel, President of Gopio Central Jersey, and he is also the chair of Gopio Health Council. We had 2 health summits in last 2 years. The first one will be the one in 2019. In 2018, it was hosted by our Council General. The second one was done at the TB Asia studio. And CG was present in the first one, and Shatrughan ji came for the second one, our DCG. So, Dr. Tushar Patel.
Thank you, Thomas. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Gopio Central Jersey and all chapters in New Jersey, I would like to wish Honorable Ambassador Mr. Sandeep Chakravarti all the very best in your new assignment and endeavor. Congratulations to you, sir, for all your accomplishments and your selfless, dedicated service to all Indians living in tri-state area. You always provided your assistance when we needed you, either for visa, OCI issues, and lately during the pandemic, when there were many students and Indian citizens got stranded here in the USA, and your sincere efforts ensured that timely, safely returned to India. On a personal note, Ambassador Chakravarti and your staff always provided your support for any event we wanted at your office, and you personally took the interest to ensure everything was very well organized. You supported Gujarat Day, Women's Day, and many more events during your 3 years tenure as CG in New York. Lastly, on behalf of Gopio International Health Council, I want to express my sincere appreciation to you for your support for our health summits in 2018 and 2019. Because of your support, we were able to hold 2 back-to-back health summits to get some useful information for the Indian diaspora. Once again, congratulations for the job well done and your dedicated service to us, and wish you all the very best, and to you and your family, and a nice journey in the next chapter of your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Tushar Patel. At this time, one of our most active, or in fact, the most active Gopio chapter in Gopio family is Gopio, Connecticut. We have Mr. Ashok Nichani, and along with that Ashok Nichani, we have two former presidents of Gopio, Connecticut, Anita Bhatt and Shelly Nichani, Secretary Raj Mishra, and we have Joe Simon, trustee, Meera Banda, and Vice President Prasad Chindalapudi. May I request Ashok Nichani to say a few words?
Thank you, Thomas. Good evening. Namaskar. It has been a great pleasure for Gopio, Connecticut to work with you very closely. You had invited us to the consulate for interactive meeting on community issues and how we can serve our community and build support for India. Last year, you came to Stamford and Norwalk for interactive meetings with the community and the elected officials. You attended several of our programs, including the annual banquet, which was attended Senior Richard Blumenthal, Congressman Jim Himes, and mayors of Stamford, Norwalk, and New Canaan, as well as elected officials from Connecticut State. Last year also initiated a program to donate books from India to Norwalk Public Library to start Indian segments at the library. It was very well received and appreciated by Norwalk Mayor and state senators and assemblymen. Because of your tireless efforts, we have great support among elected Connecticut officials for India. Thank you very much and wish you all the best for your next level of service. You are going back to India, but we really miss you and we all love you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashok ji. At this point, I want to invite two prominent members of our community, Padma Shri, Dr. Sudhir Parikh, a medical practitioner and chairman of Parikh Media Group, that includes News India Time, Desi Times, as well as Vishnu Asia. Sudhir, please unmute and speak.
Hi, dear friends, and my dear friend Sandeep ji. Really, you are really a most popular Indian diplomat I ever seen in last 50 years of my stay in this country. I want to thank him for being such a genuine and proactive CG. India must be very proud of this dynamic young man who handled the most challenging time in anyone's career, the COVID-19 pandemic, with the skill that cannot be developed only in the training, but rather is acquired by the being just a good human being. Ambassador always kept his cool and communicated freely and frankly with US ethnic media like ours. He only gave he gave interviews to all the various publications as well as ITV channel to reassure the Indian living here on how to navigate their ways through the problem caused by the pandemic. In India, here in India, and help thousands of Indians to travel back home, and also assisted hundreds of students in trouble. We Indian American community were proud to join him in every endeavor as he takes in the future. We will miss him surely. His future is very bright. And Sandeep ji, we wish you all the best in the future of whatever position and posting you take. And one day during my lifetime, I will see you back as a US ambassador from India in Washington. As a chairman of the Parikh Worldwide Media and the largest Indian American publishing concern in the US, I want to convey our sincere gratitude to you and request that you convey our good wishes to the Consul General Jaiswal, who will be replacing you, to tell him that we are always here to assist our community and our motherland, India. So, Sandeep ji, I will miss you personally, but we'll keep our friendship, and we'll time to time, whenever we come to Delhi, we'll see you. And when you come to USA, be my guest and continue our friendship. God bless America. God bless India. Jai Hind, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudeep. At this point, before we ask CG to speak, I just want to recognize who are all present from our Gopio family. We have Nami Kaur, our Gopio Media Chair. Then we have with us this evening Associate Secretary Jaswant Modi. We have from some of our live members, Sudha Acharya, who is also Executive Director of South Asian Council for Social Services, which, by the way, was initiated with the Gopio's effort. Our philanthropist Sridhar Menon, who has been a great supporter of various activities, institutes, universities, chairs. Attorney Megha Bhauraskar, then another live member, E.M. Stephen. From Gopio, Manhattan, Dr. Vimal Goyale. Then we have Professor Raj Vengapati, Sivendra Sofat, Dr. Lisa George. And from Gopio, Central Jersey, we have Vijay Gar and Vijay Mehta. So at this time, I request Mr. Ram Gadhvi we want to give a plaque to Ambassador Chakravarti for his great service to India and the Indian community. Ram Gadhvi, would you please join us? Meena? Mr. Ram Gadhvi, please unmute first. Ram?
हाँ राम भाई साहब को मैंने कर दिया.
Namaste everybody. What can I say? Today's event is one way we are happy, one way we are not. It's just like sending our daughter to her home. So one way we are happy that you're gonna be working in External Affairs Ministry from promotion for you, but then we are losing you, so I cannot express my feeling for the day. We have made a plaque for you to remember Gopio. It is done by Gopio Organization of People of Indian Origin, which is known as Gopio, as you know, and Gopio chapters in the Northeast USA. We are all together to just say that it is the Award of Excellence plaque presented to you, Ambassador Sandeep Chakravarti ji, for the distinguished services to Indian American community and India during his tenure as Consul General of India. Signed by Dr. Thomas Abraham, Chairman, Ram Gadhvi, Vice President, Dr. Rajiv Mehta, Secretary, on New York, June 17, 2020. Wish you all the best and hope to see you again somewhere, sometime. Thank you.
Thank you, Rambhai. I also want to recognize the Kerala Center President, Alex Estefan, and also Milan USA, Suresh Sharma from Hartford. We work very closely on many various issues. So at this point, it's my great pleasure and honor to present to you Ambassador Sandeep Chakravarti. Sandeep ji.
Namaskar, good evening. Thank you for all the kind words and everything that you have said. Before I respond, I would first like to introduce my team. I see some of my team members have also joined. We have Mr. DP Mishra, our Consul Trade. DP, can you say hi? I thought it is important that you know my team as well, because they are largely responsible for what you have told about me. So it's their hard work for which I get the credit. So I want you to introduce my team. DP, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Good evening, everyone. Namaskar.
Hi. DP Mishra deals with economic and trade issues. Then we have Mr. Vipul Mesaria. Vipul, where are you?
Hello, good evening, everyone.
So Vipul is our technology man. In fact, Dr. Gopi, you were mentioning Pramit. So he is the man behind Pramit. So he has worked very hard for that. So he should get all the credit, not me. And then we have Mr. Vijay Krishnan. Vijay ji, kahan hai aap?
Yeah, good evening and namaskar to all of you.
So he is our Consul Community Affairs. And is there anybody else? Is Mr. Murugeshan there? No. No. So I think this is our team. DCG is not joining today because he has an event to attend. So thank you, Mr. Vijay Krishnan. So what I wanted to say is that anybody is as successful as his team, and as the clients and the customers allow him or her to be successful. So if I have been able to make any difference, any change, it is because of the team that I was able to lead, and also because of support that I got from various community organizations, and in this context, Gopio and all others. I see a lot of people from they wear many hats. So I'm seeing Sunil ji, I'm seeing Shivender, I'm seeing Dr. Avinash, I'm seeing Suresh ji, I'm seeing Mr. Menon, then Mr. Tushar Patel and Veena ji, Harbachan ji, Shelly, father and son both are there, the Nichanis, and Rajiv ji is there, and Raj, and so everybody has been a partner, and support has been tremendous. And I just want to first express my gratitude and help and appreciation for the help that I have been able to provide. It is a two-way street in any case, and you are as successful as the others want you to succeed. So I think all of us need to understand that. My tenure has been cut short in a way by 4 months of COVID, actually. In fact, I had some other plans for the last 4 months, and these 4 months have been very, very difficult and trying and testing, and we have lost many friends and people and partners, And here I would like to take the name of Ramesh Patel, who many of you know personally and worked with him presently or in the past, and we lost him to COVID. We lost some friends in the media and others. So it has not, COVID has not come and gone without creating permanent scars and impact on our lives. And I hope what Harbachan Singh ji was saying proves to be untrue. We don't want 70% of the population to be infected by COVID. But what I must say is that we stuck together, and I worked with many of you to do events, and Asha ji was mentioning the dental event, and then we did an event with students. Then of course Gopio helped us to bring Mr. Shiv Khera. We had an event with all Gopio members, I remember, then with Milan and with other organizations. So what I liked was we didn't let COVID get all over us. We stood up and we fought it, and everyone fought in different ways. Our health professionals were in the forefront, but I think others also supported, and Gopio itself has done a lot of work in reaching out to the communities and giving masks and food and other support. And I want to thank you also for helping many Indians who were stranded, and many members of Gopio provided help, and we reached out to you. So that was a very notable work done by Gopio. I would just like to say that when Gopio is a pioneering community organization. I remember when I joined the Foreign Service in 1996, I used to get this Gopio newsletter, and it used to come from California. And till a few months back, I used to get that newsletter. Mr. Abraham, who used to bring that out? We lost him recently.
Well, I'm the editor of it, and it used to be forwarded by Mr. Inder Singh.
Inder Singh, yes, Inder Singh, yes.
Probably
so we lost Mr. Inder Singh last year, I think. Yeah,
it was
because I remember it used to come from. So I used to wonder, what is this Gopio? Inder Singh Gopio, and wherever I served before, I never got a chance to meet with Gopio. And then when I came here and I met all of you, then I could immediately go back to my initial days in the Foreign Service and relate that, oh my God, this organization was there, and you have done really pioneering work. The whole work on PIOs and OCI was a great deal of that is the result of original thinking by Gopio. But I just want to say is that as the world is changing and as there are new challenges, Dr. Abraham mentioned something. I don't want to repeat that, but I think these are challenges where we, India as a country, and Indians as a whole have to take up and confront. We have done admirably, but I think the challenging days are ahead, and we will lean on you, and we will reach out to you for your support, and I'm sure you will extend the same support to my successor and my team, which we have here in the consulate. We have tried to reorganize and redefine the whole objective and motive of the consulate. We have always tried to, we are an outpost of the embassy in Washington and of the ministry in India. And we have always thought that we are the foot soldiers and men on the ground. And if we are not able to address your needs and your requirements, then there is no point in our existence. So that has been the driving force with which we have worked. And if you have had good experience with the consulate, I am really, really thankful. So I will be in Delhi, and I'll share my coordinates with all of you. Delhi, all of you visit, and please keep in touch. And, on social media, of course, I'm active, and you will find me there. I had a surprise for all of you, but let me see if the surprise is being delivered. I ordered it by FedEx, but these days during COVID, FedEx is a bit unreliable. So it is coming all the way from Delhi, and I don't know if it has reached. It should be reaching. Let me just see. Hey, Randhir, are you there? Yes, Randhir, can you switch on your camera?
Yes.
I am. My camera is on.
Oh, there he is. Oh my God. I think FedEx is very reliable. So I thought I will introduce my successor, Mr. Randhir Jaiswal. Randhir, namaste kar do, people will recognize you.
A very good evening to all members of Gopio who are there in this meeting.
There he is. So he's wearing a blue shirt. So Randhir is my successor. He is right now in Rashtrapati Bhavan working with our president on his he's on his foreign affairs team, and in fact he lives near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He has a very nice home in Delhi, and he will leave all that and come shortly to New York. So Randhir, just a brief introduction. Mr. Abraham is the chairman of Gopio. But there are other chapters of Gopio here in Connecticut and New Jersey, and their respective presidents and office bearers, and some other organizations have also joined in. I think there are more than 55 members here today. So I thought I will just introduce you so that when you can hit the ground running when I leave, and when you come over, you will at least find some familiarity and know the people, the face behind the names. So with this objective, I thought it will be a good idea to just introduce you. And Mr. Abraham, I told you I'll give you a surprise. I was happy that
you did.
I was able to deliver it.
Wonderful. Can we have Joint Secretary Jaiswal to say a few words? Is he still there?
Yeah, he's there.
Thank you, Mr. Abraham.
Go ahead, please.
And thank you all the 55 members of Gopio who are present in this meeting. First of all, I would like to thank for all the beautiful words, all the excellent words, the warm words that you've spoken about my colleague. One feels really proud. And I'm doubly proud that I am going to be following the steps of my distinguished predecessor. I have worked with Gopio in other parts of the world before. I was in South Africa before my stint in Delhi, and there I got an opportunity to work with Gopio chapter in South Africa. Each and every member of the Indian Foreign Service and the Diplomatic Corps and the larger international relations community in India and elsewhere are aware of the excellent work that Gopio is doing. I have many nice things to say about Gopio, the excellent work that you've done to connect communities across the world, not just Indian communities, but communities who are in need of our support, where we can bring value. And I look forward to working with you. I hope you will extend the same support that you've given to Sandeep, to me as well. And I'm there to give in my 100% to strengthen relations between India and the United States, to give, and where Gopio comes in with its convening strength, with its membership, with its innovative ideas, with its energy, and with all that it has to do to strengthen the links. It is, I would say, a privilege for me to meet you even before I land in New York. So thank you, Sandeep, for taking this initiative to introduce me to the wonderful family of Gopio in the United States. And I very much look forward to working with all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Randeep.
Thank you, Mr. Abraham.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. We really appreciate you coming and taking the time, early morning, your time. We look forward to work with you. We will give you 100% support, and we look forward to meet you when you come. Thank you. And before I give the last word to Sandeep ji, I also want to recognize Dinesh Mehta, Dinesh Mittal. He is our chairman of chapter review committee. And also we have another live member who is from New York and Trinidad, Indrani Ramprasad. So at this point, Sandeep ji, your last word. This is not a goodbye until we see again. Sandeep ji, you want to say anything more?
Yeah, no, it is, you know, this is my third Zoom call today, and in one Zoom call, it became very sad. So I had to say that, you know, please, this is not a funeral, it's just a goodbye. Don't feel so sad. So, you know, it's certainly not a funeral, and you know, the beauty of life is that, you know, nothing is permanent, things change. So it's good that CGs also change, because if you're stuck with a bad CG, then you can just wait for some time till he goes. So, you know, just hope that that is not the case with me, and you will be getting a much better CG, because Randir comes with a lot of experience. I was new to New York, but Randir has lived in New York. He was served in our UN mission. In fact, today is a very special day. We have won the election to the UN Security Council. Yeah, Randir, you must be doubly happy today. Yeah. India's become,
wow, congratulations. That's great news.
It's a very good news. We won the maximum number of votes, 184 votes. And
wow.
We did really well. In fact, strangely, a country like Canada lost the elections to the European group, which is surprising.
Yeah, very
Canada had lots of international appeal, but that even proves how important this victory was. So having said that, I just want to, you know, I am actually seeing everybody here. Everyone is known to me. I may have missed some names, but I will connect with you separately. But thanks for joining this event. And unfortunately, because of COVID, we are not able to meet in person. But I didn't want to go away like a thief, because I have had so much of support and so much of affection from all of you. So I thought about at least meeting all of you on Zoom, so that at least I can say bye and express my gratitude to all of you. So unfortunately, COVID doesn't allow us to meet and in person. But I think this is also a good way of connecting and knowing people. Thank you, Colonel Chari, and I see Rajiv also there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Jasbir ji is also there. So I would not go down all the names, but just thanks to all of you, and we hope to be in touch. And Gopio is doing terrific work, but I think, of course, we could do much more. And I will end by saying one thing. Yes, I remembered. I must say that Manhattan needs a chapter of Gopio, and Manhattan, a lot of people live in Manhattan. It's not that everyone who made money, like many of you here, moved to the suburbs. It's not true. A lot of professionals, a lot of old people. Actually, people are moving from the suburbs to Manhattan because of the easy commute, and they don't want to drive, and they don't want to shovel snow in the driveways. A lot of people have moved to Manhattan. So I think there is a crying need of a community organization in Manhattan, and that is not there. And if you have that, then it will be great support to the consulate, and we could be a multiplier for the consulate. So I believe Mr. Abraham has sown the seed, and I see people here, including Shivender, but I also know others who would be very happy to be part of the Manhattan chapter. I think one of the first things Ranjit can do when he comes here is to inaugurate the Manhattan chapter of Gopio. I think that will really, be a feather in the Gopio cap. So with these words, once again, thank you and take care and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
In fact,
Thank you very much.
we were going to inaugurate the Manhattan chapter on April 4th. We then postponed it for May 29th. We postponed. Vijay, our Vimal Goyal, she's a live member, one of the officers. We have Raj Vengapati, Sivendra Sofet, Dr. Lisa George. So as soon as our Randir Kumar ji come, that is the first thing we will do. We will open up in a big way. Gopio Manhattan will play a big role because the biggest city in the country. So we look forward to have that inauguration done whenever it is, whenever after the CG comes. So Sandeep ji, it is not a goodbye until we see you again. I thank everybody, and at this point I request our secretary, Dr. Rajiv Mehta, to conclude and give vote of thanks. Rajiv.
Sure.
Honestly, before
Thank you,
we
Thomas.
start, Rajiv ji, there are so many messages in chat box. If you can read few messages to Sandeep ji and Ranveer ji, I think that will be great.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Rajiv ji, didn't mean to disturb you, but maybe you can read some of the messages.
No, go ahead. Why don't you read them?
There are beautiful messages, Thomas ji.
Yeah, I think there are a whole lot of them. I think,
but maybe you can pick 3-4 beautiful messages people wrote.
Yeah, well, some of them are long messages. So
let Veena do it.
So let me do it. Maybe I will not do all. Maybe I'm just picking randomly. So here we go. Indu Jaiswal ji, wishing you all the best. You have been a great CG and will be missed in New York. Wishing you all the best and success, Indu Jaiswal. And then there are, okay, so this is a little bit bigger, but I'll just read it. And this message is coming from Kumar Mandal. Dear Sandeep, Honorable Consulate General, you came to New York and took our community like a storm. Immediately you become a household name. Suddenly our community felt very comfortable and happy. Learning that a very helpful and understanding person is at the New York Indian Consul's office, where we can call and ask for help anytime. Then you charmed all of us with your charming and friendly gesture. You were always available at many of our events. Great leadership, recognized team. And then
we have Ruby.
Everybody's welcoming Ranveer ji. So Sandeep ji, again, we really going to miss you, but congratulate to you and family and welcome Ranveer ji.
Yeah, we have a message from Ruby Chadha. Best wishes and our sincere thanks and guidance. And we have another from Sunil Hali. Sunil, are you there? Yeah, Sunil.
Yes.
From Indian Express. From IISc. So, message from him too. All right, I think we got enough time. May I request Rajiv Mehta to conclude, give the conclusion and word of thanks.
Sure. Thank you, Thomas. Honorable Consul General Sandeep Chakravarti ji, incoming Consul General Mr. Randir Kumar Jaiswal, Gopio Chairman Dr. Abraham, Gopio Vice President Dr. Ram Gadavi, our valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. As some of you know, my name is Professor Rajiv Mehta. I'm a medical doctor, the chair of pediatrics at Robert Johnson University Hospital in Somerset, New Jersey. And I'm also the General Secretary of Gopio International. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. After 3 years of service to India and the Indian American community in and around the tri-state area, Ambassador Chakravarti will be returning to Delhi to perhaps a much better position and a bigger job. So we wish him all the best for that. As per the Bhagavad Gita, change is the law of nature, so we have no option but to accept it. I, on behalf of Gopio International and other supporting members, as well as the fraternity of community service-minded people who are gathered here today, and also on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Consul General Sandeep Chakravarti, who I fondly refer to as Dada, which means brother in Bengali, for doing all what you have done for us over the past 3 years, and also for gracing us with your presence tonight. We're very grateful for the love and dedication you have shown towards the Indian diaspora. Thank you, Dada. Gracias. Apnake dhanyabad. So for those of you that probably understand some Bengali, I guess you'll know where I'm coming from. We will treasure the fond memories of our time together, and our best wishes shall always remain with you and your family. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome incoming Consul General Mr. Randir Kumar Jaiswal. Sir, we welcome you and look forward to meeting you in person and working with you. Before I conclude, I would like to thank the organizers, especially Ms. Bina Kotari, for hosting this Zoom event. Thank you, Bina. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you and good night.